We went sourcing, and I'm going to show you all the men's finds that I found. It's Jay with the Thrifty Flamingo. So we talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling on this channel. So if you're interested in that content and you're new here, hit that subscribe button and click on that bell so you can get notified when we go live and do all our videos and all that stuff. We go live once a week and we do videos throughout the week and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that content, definitely subscribe to our channel. So we went to a thrift store in Ridgefield, Connecticut. It was the Ridgefield thrift store. Hopefully we're going to have them on the channel down the road. We're not sure yet. I'm working with them right now to see if we can get their thrift store featured in one of our thrift store vlogs. But it's a phenomenal thrift store. They had a lot of great brands there. They had good prices. Their price, I don't think the only thing I paid up for was a Burberry shirt, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit. And that was $10. $10 for Burberry ain't bad. Everything that we bought here came to a price per piece of about $5.50. And I'm going to show you what we got. So we're going to start off with my favorite shirt right now, Harley Davidson. These Harley Davidson clothing is hot right now. It sells very well for me, and this is a really awesome shirt. Look at the back of that shirt with the Harley Davidson logo on the back, and then on the front it's got the Harley Davidson logo. It's got the HD embroidered on the collar. These buttons are awesome. They say Harley Davidson on their metal snap button, so it's a snap shirt, and it's just a really solid shirt. I have it listed right now for $85. We'll see what we can get for it. Next up, I picked up a pair of Zara Man denim. They're distressed. They're slim fit or skinny fit jeans. See how they taper down at the bottom with the slim ankle and all that, and slim leg opening. So they're very hip and trendy. They're a perfect wash for the summer. The light wash denim is what you're looking for this summer for denim that you want to keep selling. So those are a good pickup. I have them listed right now. I just listed a few of these things. I have those listed for, I think I put them in at $75 and dropped them down instantly to $55. So they're listed at $55 right now. I'm going a little lower with my jeans for the summer, so we're going to see how that works. Next up is a very cool polo. It's a solid purple polo with a nice alternate colored navy blue placard. It's a Michael Kors extra large. It's a good size. It's got the buttons on the, it's got the button flat pockets on the front. It's really good quality. It's Michael Kors, so you know you're going to do all right with that. And I have this listed at $65. Now, these shorts, these are what you want to look for shorts in the summer. If you're looking to sell shorts, you want to find this brand. So scour the thrift store, scour the consignment shops. Look for this brand because these shorts are going to sell. These are Loudmouth. Loudmouth is a company that makes really far out there and loud and in-your-face patterns for golfers. These are a pink Argyle short. Shorts, they're really solid. They're a great find. I picked them up for $4. For Loudmouth, that's phenomenal because those can sell for, I have them listed for $65. We'll see what happens with them. This is a short sleeve Le Tigre blue and yellow plaid shirt. You can see the little tiger on the side there. This is a great brand. This is a higher end brand, and they sell for decent money, so I picked it up. Top, Robert Graham bathing suit. Really hip, really trendy, really cool. I'm gonna list this for, I haven't listed this yet, but I think I'm going to list this for $85 and see what happens. But Robert Graham is hot right now, and this bathing suit should do very well. Polo golf. Polo is my bread and butter. These things, I sell 1 or 2 polos a week. XL is great. This is a unique polo. It's got the alternate pattern, the zigzag pattern, brown and gray, and it looks really cool with the two-tone collar and the two-tone horse. And I list my polos at $65, and I'll take $35 to $30 for them. So, and I sell them very frequently. That's why I always pick them up. Another polo, just a simple, very soft cotton polo. What is this? This is 100% cotton. It's very soft. It's a really nice polo, red and black, classic color combination. And I believe this is an XL as well. XLs do very good for me in polos. I think we have another polo. All these polos I picked up for $2. These were $2 polos. The more expensive stuff brought our price per piece up. But these polos were all $2 at the thrift store, so that's a great deal. Just another Ralph Lauren pink stripe polo. Nothing too special, but again, we'll sell for $30. I think we have more polo. We're going through all the polo right now. This one is an XL as well. And again, these are bread and butter for me. These sell very frequently. This is a Peter Millar polo. Again, very soft. It's got the pocket on it. Peter Millar does very well for me. Last time I sold one of his polos, I don't find them too often, but when I find them, they sell for good money. I think I sold one for $45, and that's for a polo. Patagonia. a Patagonia polo. There it is, branded on the shirt. Patagonia is a great brand. This is probably a $45 shirt, and it should do very well for me. Tasso Elba. Ella, is it Ella or Elba? I'm bad with cursive. I think it's Ella or Elba. We'll see. If you guys know, let me know if it's Ella or Elba. But this is just a simple yellow polo. Tasso Elba is a decent brand. You can find it at Macy's, and new it sells for anywhere between $100 and $200. They're a good, solid Macy's brand, and I'll get 30 bucks for this probably. This is a brand I didn't know. This is a Fred Perry, made in England, cotton polo with the really cool logo and the yellow stripes around the arm. It's a black and yellow polo, cool colors. I looked up comps on this. These are selling for between $30 and $50. So I found a good solid brand, a brand that I didn't know but took a chance on because it was cheap, and I got lucky on it, and we're gonna make 30 bucks off of that. And this was, I picked this up because it was fashionable. It was on trend. It has the cool trendy pattern to it. I'm not sure of the brand. It's Method. Not quite sure of the brand. This is probably not going to do all that well for me, maybe $20, $25, but I picked it up because it's cool and it'll bring people to the closet and they'll come take a look. A few more things to go through. I always pick up Timberland now because Timberland's been selling really well for me. This is just a simple short sleeve button-up plaid, but Timberland has been hot and selling good for me. So if I find it, I pick it up, and it's a simple plaid shirt. More Patagonia. I love finding Patagonia because this stuff sells quick. This is a really cool, it looks like they're wood buttons actually on this Patagonia, and it's a short sleeve button down. Got an interesting pattern to it. It's not quite plaid, but it's got a cool little fading pattern that the lines kind of fade out as you look at them and go to solid. So it's an interesting pattern for this shirt, and it's really cool. It should sell for 45 bucks. This is my Burberry find. Nothing crazy good for Burberry. It doesn't have a tartan plaid or anything like that, or it's not a Burberry Brit. But Burberry brings people to your closet, and Burberry sells well. It's just, and it's perfect for the season. It's a short sleeve plaid Burberry. It's a really solid shirt. It's good size. It's medium, so it's not the best size, but it's decent size. At least it's not a small. And I'm going to try and get 65 bucks out of that. We got shorts. Picked up a few shorts. These are J. Crew. The colors are hot and trendy right now, and the plaids are hot and trendy, so we're going to see what we can get for those. This is another brand that I'm not sure of. I think it says Virgo. But they're really cool shorts. They're just orange. They have a check pattern to them, and they feel very good quality, very well made shorts. They're a size 36. They're a good size. And I think they're going to sell. These are J. Crew as well. These are another pair of J. Crew shorts. J. Crew does very well for me. I recommend if you find J. Crew, pick it up. It's one of the mall brands that will do good. These are just another pair of funky fun shorts that should sell for a good 25 bucks. And the last item that we got from this thrift haul was these are a pair of denim jeans that I have heard other resellers talking about, so I figured when I found a pair, I'd give it a shot and see how they did. I did do comps on them, and they're decent comps, 35 to 45 to 50 high-end range from me, so I'm probably going to list these rated around $85, $75, and we'll take around 35 to 40 for them. They are agave. It's agave denim. Again, I found this brand more recently, and I haven't found it yet, but I'm going to give it a shot. They're cool denim jeans. They look cool. It's got the cool leather back patch on it, nice design on the back pocket. These are just relaxed. It looks like these are relaxed fit. They're a little bit of a darker wash, so they're not quite good for the summer, but I'm going to list them anyway. They are a 40, so they're a good size. And we're going to try and squeeze $30 to $40 out of these jeans. The average selling price for this stuff is probably going to be around $25 to $30. So I'm looking at a 30 ASP on this. Some stuff is going to go for more, like the loudmouth shorts, the Robert Graham bathing suit. That's obviously going to go for a little higher than that. There's a couple of really solid brands in here like Burberry, Le Tigre, Michael Kors, so those are going to get me premium prices. But then the lower end stuff like the J. Crews and the Polos are only going to get $25, $30 out of, maybe 35 if I'm lucky. So all in all, it was a good trip to the thrift store. We're going to see if we can get them on the channel. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite item in the haul was. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like the video. And we will see you next time. Have a great day, guys.